Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are just gonna sort of continue from what we were doing yesterday. I was talking about 5 tips of taking notes. Today I want to share with you guys an example of a note-taking process. This is just to keep your notes organized and in order so they don't turn out somewhat other than what you expected, or they're just all wonky. But let's take a look at these 3 simple steps that you can do to keep your notes organized. So first step is to select the format, and there are different types of notes, or different types of diagrams that you can draw, and columns and charts that you can draw to use to take your notes. But today I just have 3 that I know from the top of my head, which are outlines, and you can map your notes, and also bulletin. So an outline would be like whatever you understand, even if it's right or wrong, basically like your opinion, but still something that you learn from whatever you're looking at. Mapping is like directly taking what you know, almost like writing a summary, but then bringing it down and breaking it apart. In bulletin, that's just how you guys do what you do, bulletin points, and you write down a fact, something like that. So those are 3 formats that I have used before. Step 2 is to record the essential question so you know what you're talking about and you're not lost. And you can always answer that question and look back and see what you need to actually write. So, the essential question, if you guys cannot find it, may include one of these words, or it could actually tell about one of these things, which is when, where, what, why, who, and how. So these are words that we have been taught to look at whenever we read articles and things like that. But the essential question is going to answer one of those words and the question. And then step 3 is base it on a source like a lecture, a book, a website, an article, video, and etc. So you don't have random opinions and thoughts that you're writing down, and what you learn from your opinions and thoughts are going to be wrong. So you also want to base it off of a source and write it down, or the best thing to do is write down where you also found these facts and things from. So if you ever need to go back and look at them any point in life, you can do that. So I always feel like you definitely include your source. Maybe it's just the whole address of the link or something like that, but it always helps to include the source. So those are 3 steps that I feel like could help. If you guys have anything that you'd like to share about this, please do that in the Google Classroom or the discussion tab. Again, I'm checking those regularly, and I would like y'all to do the same because I make announcements there. So thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!